Please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, but open 1982 Donruss. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 packets to open up for you guys. Let's see what kind of buried treasure to find. Thing year before that, gun got sued. Other company got sued, and they got a Babe Ruth. Right here, I kind of like the design. Alright, Joe Price. I got his rookie card, second year card, close enough. Jerry Krusman, never heard of this guy. Jim Morris. The Doors, lead singer of the Doors. Gary something, Rednick. There you go. Almost a unibrow right there, my friend. Gotta shave it. Second your card. Jerry Morrison. Jack Morrison or Jerry. Cruz. Jose Cruz. Oh, Central Risk Hall of Famer. It's like this. First year with the White Sox. Doesn't know the rest. So kind of cool, good card. There we go, Donruss. Joe Negro. I think it's Joe Negro, the Hall of Famer, or one of these guys, Hall of Famer. Another. Burn. Dorky looking guy. Looks like spring break. Free training in the background. Mickey Hatcher. Decent cat. Mostly with the Twins. I'm kind of new him a little bit. Ron Jackson. And last one. Open the second pack right now. So let me know what kind of cards you guys click. A little story about your teams. Watching the Giants beating the Dodgers in the playoffs. Game 1. Part 2 the other piece. Oh, guy's eyes. Oh, he's all smiling. Me. You got yourself Yankees winners. Ron Riley and Tommy John. Everybody knows mostly with his surgery. Right back. Daryl Jones. Got a rookie card. Daryl Daniels. Very French. Rookie guy. Young. Alive. Board. Dan Ford. Gotta tell this guy's card where I go. Probably don't have his rookie card yet. Dan Hubbard. One of their players. Oh, cool. I got his other rookie card. Back to back. Rival. Milpitas. There's the girl's guy in here. There's the third pack opening up, and then there's the puzzle. Ball. Ooh! He rose, Devin King. Look at him. Martin Hayes. Mark. Danny, this is like the first rookie card. Yeah, I got a couple rookies, so Jackson Todd. His name is backwards. Oh, P. Rose. That's awesome. Every Hall of Fame. Merman. He's got a great career. Not Hall of Fame style, I guess. Dan Cousin home run. Manager. Daryl Weber. What an interesting manager of his time. Deion Cooper. I got the autograph. He broadcasted for the Giants now. I think he had a record of like at least home runs or something in his career. And I get the second puzzle piece. But BB did some really stupid things at the broadcast. He had the Giants Arizona win a World Series, I think. Well, they had to touch this guy's cards. I call my so many cards. I think he's stalking me. Roger, manager. Cruz again. Back to. Chicken. Oh, cool. His own card. Thank you, Chico. Most famous mascot. I'll keep it. Oh, where's this one? Yeah, he's, the Seinfeld episode, the spitting thing. They make fun of JFK movie. John Miller. So that's it for this pile. Couple of good cards. Very happy. Let me know, like and subscribe if this one dropped. So that's it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm going to do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.